Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Matab Mirza. So I started my day by going into our favorite cafe, Nora Cafe. It was a daughter and mother's coffee date. It is a beautiful cafe not very far from our home, and it has a beautiful mountains view, and since it's a fall season, it is beauty everywhere, and we just wanted to spend some time together, talk, and enjoy the view at the same time. So when my sister got to know that we are going to this cafe, she decided to join us. The girl is nice. It was a beautiful sunny day today. Look at the blue skies and the beautiful trees all around, and the mountain view while enjoying your coffee. So now we are here to get our coffees, and the order we placed, it was ready. So we ordered cappuccino, chocolatine, which is a chocolate croissant and a chocolate cake, my latte, and a cappuccino for my other sister. So we enjoyed the view and enjoyed our coffee and did some chit chat. So we were having some good time here, but we were still missing my youngest sister. She was not here with us. We usually don't get to spend time together, but today was the day, but she was the only one missing, so we missed her so much. The cool thing about this cafe is that it also has a boutique, and all the items in the boutique are handmade internationally and locally. And everything they earn from this boutique, they donate it for a good cause. Wow, so pretty.
Two babies, two birds, two birds.
No.
Look,
Yes.
a baby, a baby.
Where is the baby?
Yeah. Look at the door. Right. Kiss me.
Aw, so beautiful.
Oh,
So after spending a good time here, enjoying the coffee with the view, we went to the shopping mall to do some winter shopping. After shopping, I felt so tired and hungry, and I wanted to have pizza. So I decided to make my own pizza bread at home. So this is a very quick and easy recipe. These are all the ingredients you need and what you see on the video. So we're gonna start by chopping off onions into smaller pieces. Then I took 3 mini bell peppers and cut them into smaller pieces as well. vegetables has been cut into pieces with red onions, orange, yellow, and red bell pepper, the mini peppers. This is the baguette, this long baguette. You can see this is the white baguette. We will cut it into two pieces equally. See? So once the bread is cut into four pieces, we're gonna use the Gallo extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to put the oil on each of the bread piece. I don't use a lot of oil, so I'm not gonna put that much. But if you need to put more, you can go ahead. See what it looks like. Then we will be adding pink salt. You can add it according to your taste. And then we will use the classical pizza sauce. It also has salt in it and some herbs and tomatoes. It is delicious, by the way, that sauce. And we're gonna put it on each of the bread. So now I will put the vegetables that I had cut, the bell peppers and the onions. You can certainly add more vegetables like spinach, broccoli, mushrooms, olives. Since I do not like them, I will only be using what I like. And once all the vegetables are on there, we are going to put on some cheese. And in this recipe, I am using the mozzarella no name shredded cheese. So this is how it looks before we put it in the oven. So we are going to put the pizza in the oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes, no longer than that, as it can turn harder and it's not gonna be very enjoyable when you eat it. So just make sure to remove it on time. And look at this delicious pizza that it came out. One way to find out if the pizza is ready is when the cheese on the top is turning golden. You can remove that. And it was so delicious. I This was my first time trying the homemade pizza, and it turned out so good that I will never be buying pizza from the outside. It's clean, healthy, and delicious. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.